What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great evening, and welcome to a new trading education video. All right, I know I've said this countless times, but I want to make more videos like this. So yeah, here we go. All right, we'll do a full video, a full trading education video about how to find good trades. Now there are 101 ways to find good trades. All right, so this is just one kind of market structure slash some sort of a phenomenon we've seen quite a lot in the last week or so, and I expect it to happen more often. And you can also, like, we'll look at it on the 4-hour time frame, but you can also look at shorter time frames and use it there, identify it there, see if all the things are correct, and then use it to trade there. All right. Now, no one strategy is perfect, so this one also has its complications, and this one also has its limitations, but we'll get into that. But first of all, before we get into that, I quickly want to do 2 announcements. First of all, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord group, because right now I'm doing daily updates. That's something new, but I'll do a daily update in what I think of Bitcoin / what I think of the market, what I think are coins you need to watch for the day, and also a quick update on the Signal group. And then apart from that, this week, or in general, I'll try to upload more normal videos, all right? I do a lot of analysis. I also want to do more reviews, etc. If you go to my channel on YouTube, you'll see that I have a second channel specifically for crypto reviews. Make sure to follow that. I'll still upload there as well, but I also want to do some more reviews, some more tutorials on this channel. So now let's get right into it. So yeah, like I said, the main thing we'll look at is how to find good trades. Now, like I said, there are countless ways to find good trades. This is just one thing that I've seen that works quite well. Now, on the higher time frames, we've seen this quite often since we were quite bearish and we're turning bullish, which is what this strategy, or what this, I guess you could call it a strategy, but I'm not sure, but what it is built around. But like I said, I mean, on shorter time frames, even when the market is bullish, you also have short-term downtrends which can break, and then you can rally. But that is what it is, all right? It's just using trend lines. It's using a downtrend and then correctly identifying when that can turn into a rally, all right? So basically, you need a couple of things. The first thing is a trend line, all right? Just in general, when you see a downtrend which just lower highs, EMAs right here, so the waving lines are moving down, and you can draw some sort of a trend line like this. So now we have several examples. This is Luna, and you can see here we're making lower highs, the EMAs are sloping down. You can make a trend line. This is a bearish market structure. Now, where the potential comes in is with this breakout, all right? So the moment this downtrend and the trend line breaks, then it gets interesting. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of traders make is they see this, they see the trend line break, and they instantly enter. And that is not what you want to do. There's 2 things you need to look at. And right now we're just looking at the chart, right? But what you also need is Coinglass. So you go to coinglass.com. I'll leave the links down in the pinned comment, I think. And then you go to Super Charts, which is one of the options at the top. And then you look at Luna, and then you add the indicator aggregated open interest candles. And then what you need is because if a trend line like this breaks, what that usually is just the crypto going into consolidation after a downtrend. But what you want is a breakout with momentum, and then also that there's some sort of a narrative with the coin. All right, so Luna, for example, you could see that Luna Classic, USDC, we're starting to heat up a bit. We broke this downtrend, so that's 2 criteria fulfilled. And then you can also see that the open interest got into an uptrend. It's a bit of a weird uptrend, but it got into an uptrend. So those are the 3 things you need to watch for. Is there a breakout? All right. Did we have a downtrend? Is the trend line of that downtrend broken? Check. All right. That's one criteria. Second criteria is some sort of a narrative, which we also had with Luna and Luna Classic all together being quite strong. And then, do we have momentum? Yes. So then you can look for some sort of a long setup, all right? Because then what you expect is that the downtrend has broken and that you will now get some bullish momentum. Another example, which I want to look at right now, is Gala, all right? So that happened earlier last week. What you can see, and it's very easy to identify, and the trend lines don't need to be perfect, but it just needs to give you an ability to spot the downtrend. So you have a downtrend right here. You see that it's broken. It was broken on Saturday. what you saw then is that gaming cryptos were performing quite well. So there is some sort of a fundamental narrative. And then if we go to the open interest, so again, go to Coinglass TV, check out the aggregated open interest. We broke Saturday, so that was the 22nd. And what you see there is that the open interest was already going up. So then you have three criteria. Downtrend is broken. There is some sort of a fundamental narrative, and the momentum is going up. So you should start looking for a long setup, all right? And I also posted about this on X, all right? Actually, Luna and Gala, we both took as trades also in the Signal group. So that's interesting. And then I want to leave you with one last example of something where this is happening right now, and some crypto I think that has potential, and that's Ordi, all right? And I do want to stress right now that I'm going through this quite quickly, right? Because I want you to have this information, and I don't want to take too much of your time. But if you want more information, if you have any questions, also join the Discord and Telegram, all right? I cannot see all the comments. The servers I can see much more easily. But one more crypto I liked quite a lot to have a look at is Ordi, all right? So what you can see with Ordi right now is that there was a downtrend. It's a bit of a less steep one, but there is a downtrend. I would not say that there's too much of a narrative, but Ordi is a Bitcoin ordinals crypto, right? Bitcoin is quite bullish, so it's not unheard of that Bitcoin related coins like ordinals will get some momentum soon. So there is some sort of a fundamental push. We broke through this downtrend right here. There's still resistance, but we did have some sort of a trend break. And I actually have not looked at this, so I could be wrong about this, but I think the momentum is going up as well. Yeah, you can see momentum was already there was already an uptrend, all right? But now it has also rallied quite a bit. So it can be an uptrend, can also be a rally, but those are the three criteria fulfilled. So I think Ordi, you should start looking for a long setup. Personally, maybe I would wait for $70 to break, or I would wait for a lower level to enter. But in general, that's the third example where it hasn't happened yet, but it is possible. Now, in conclusion, what I do think is that obviously right now we have looked at cryptos where it happened. So in hindsight, I'm always right with this strategy. It also happens that it doesn't work, all right? No strategy works 100% of the time. So always manage your risks, be careful, really think about the fundamentals, and just make smart decisions, all right? But that's what you need to know for now. I think that's everything. Like I said, if you have any questions, join the free groups. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great evening, and bye.